Bamboo is one of the most remarkable plants on Earth, offering a sustainable solution to a range of environmental challenges. While traditional trees can take anywhere from 30 to 100 years to reach maturity, bamboo only requires 3 to 5 years to become harvestable. This incredibly fast growth rate, combined with bamboo's regenerative abilities, makes it one of the fastest growing plants in the world. One of the most popular ways to consume dried seahorses is in soup, where they are softened by soaking in warm water and then cooked with ingredients such as ginseng, mushrooms, and traditional herbs. Seahorse farming, while contributing to the traditional medicine market, also plays an essential role in the conservation of wild seahorse populations. By breeding and farming seahorses in controlled environments, we help reduce the pressure on wild populations and ensure that these incredible creatures continue to thrive for generations to come. This fascinating practice demonstrates how conservation efforts and sustainable commerce can work together to protect these beautiful animals while meeting the growing demand for their use in medicine and beyond. When used as a construction material, bamboo offers an efficient and sustainable alternative to traditional timber. Its lightweight, strength, and fast-growing nature make it an ideal material for building homes, bridges, furniture, and flooring. Because bamboo grows so quickly, it can be harvested without depleting the land, providing a renewable option for construction projects. Bamboo also plays a significant role in paper production. Traditional paper is made from wood pulp, which can contribute to deforestation and environmental degradation. Bamboo, on the other hand, provides a sustainable alternative, as it's easy to harvest, grows quickly, and is highly renewable. The fibers in bamboo are strong and durable, making them an excellent material for high-quality paper. Using bamboo for paper production helps reduce the pressure on forests and contributes to environmental protection by providing an alternative source of raw materials. The environmental impact of bamboo. Bamboo's role in combating environmental issues cannot be overstated. One of its most important qualities is its ability to absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, helping to reduce the greenhouse effect. Bamboo is often used as a substitute for other building materials, which can have a significant carbon footprint. When bamboo is used in place of concrete, steel, or timber, it helps lower the overall carbon emissions associated with construction. Additionally, bamboo requires fewer resources to grow compared to many traditional crops. Every year, millions of tons of bamboo are harvested, contributing to numerous sectors such as construction, household goods, paper production, food, and even housing. Its environmental benefits, including carbon dioxide absorption, reduced deforestation, and reduced plastic use, have also made it a staple in eco-friendly product development. In this detailed look into bamboo farming, we'll explore how this plant is cultivated and how it is shaping a greener future. The extraordinary growth of bamboo. What sets bamboo apart from traditional timber is its astonishing growth rate. While typical trees take decades to mature, bamboo reaches maturity in as little as 5 to 7 years. Farms, especially in China, Hawaii, and Southeast Asia, focus on breeding seahorses for use in traditional medicine, aquariums, and other commercial purposes. The breeding process is done scientifically, with seahorse pairs carefully selected for optimal reproduction. They are fed a diet of plankton and tiny crustaceans, with feeding systems that ensure they receive nutrients multiple times a day. An adult seahorse can consume anywhere from 50 to 100 tiny creatures daily. This rapid growth allows bamboo to be used as a sustainable material for a variety of industries, from construction to consumer goods. For example, 1 acre of bamboo can be used to build a 1,000 square foot house, while 12 acres of traditional forest timber would be required for the same purpose. This fast growth rate also ensures that bamboo forests don't have to be cleared and replanted, as bamboo regenerates on its own after each harvest. Once the babies are born, they are transferred to separate tanks, where they receive specialized care. These farms are equipped with advanced tanks that are divided into several zones, each designed to replicate the natural habitat of seahorses as closely as possible. The temperature, salinity, and water quality are constantly monitored to ensure the best environment for the seahorses. Sensors and cameras check the temperature, pH, oxygen levels, and other factors around the clock. This high-tech monitoring helps farmers identify any issues early and correct them before they become bigger problems. Raising seahorses requires a highly specialized approach. With over 46 species, these creatures are named for their horse-like shape, which helps them blend perfectly into their seagrass and coral reef environments, making them natural masters of camouflage. Unlike most fish, seahorses swim vertically, gracefully gliding through the water with their distinct, armor-like plates. They are ambush predators, meaning they don't chase their food. Instead, they patiently wait and use their long, trumpet-shaped snouts to vacuum up small crustaceans and plankton from the water. Due to their lack of a stomach, seahorses must eat constantly, up to 3,000 tiny creatures a day, just to maintain their energy levels. One of the most intriguing aspects of seahorses is their unique reproductive behavior. Male seahorses are the ones that carry the eggs and give birth to the young, a rare occurrence in the animal kingdom. When it's mating season, seahorses form monogamous pairs and stay loyal to each other, ensuring successful reproduction. After being harvested, bamboo doesn't need to be replanted, it naturally regenerates, making it a renewable resource that can be harvested multiple times throughout its lifespan. With its versatility, sustainability, and rapid growth, bamboo is changing industries around the globe.